Woo, shit. Oh. It's a hole. Hey, what's up, fam? This is Unique here again, and yeah, we're gonna work on that. We're gonna work on that. But anywho, what's up, y'all? This is Unique here again with another vlog, and kind of my first get ready with me. I don't know if I'm gonna keep doing those or not, because first of all, I'm not an MUA, and yeah, I'm just trying it out. So yeah, you're gonna see a get ready with me, followed by the bonfire with my cousins that when we all got together this past Saturday, just to let off some steam and laugh and enjoy each other. And yeah, the get ready with me is going to be cut short because my camera died in the middle, like toward the end of it. My camera died and I didn't get a lot of the footage that I really wanted to get. So, but without further ado, I'm gonna let you jump right into the video. Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is going to be my first get ready with me. I'm gonna talk about what I'm doing tonight, and I'm gonna let y'all forewarning, I am not a MUA. I am just learning how to do my makeup, and I'm still learning. I'm not saying that I do got it all together, but what I am saying is a sister is trying, okay? I mean, sometimes one eyebrow look like it's taking off, one be chilling. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is a process, okay? I'm learning as I go. So, let's go ahead and get started. Let me know. Give me some tips, okay? All right. Ooh, I look oily. Ooh, whew. Okay, so we're using the NYX Brow Mascara on the brows. Like, so down here I got like a small mirror, that close-up mirror, and then I have my vanity mirror right here in front of me. Like, sometimes it helps to do stuff from a distance, and then it helps to look up close, you know, that way you got two different views. Cause, you know, you ever do something, you ever do your brow up close, or I try to do your brow up close, like I'm talking about not my professional people, you know what I'm saying, not my people who really know how to do makeup. Like, but, or, well, hell, when you first started, like, you ever do something real close up and then you look, and then you go in the mirror up somewhere else and like, damn, that looks bad far away. And vice versa. You ever do something far away and you be like, okay, it's bad, it's kicking. Then you look up close, you be like, oh, what the fuck is that? What is that? That's horrible, you know? Or whatever's there. You know, they say your brow's supposed to be sisters. Well, mine's be cousins through marriage. Woo, shoot. Mine's be cousins through marriage. So you know they ain't your cousin for real. But you know, since your uncle or your auntie married, you know, them, that's your cousin. You know what I'm saying? Married they daddy or they mama, that's your cousin. So, you know. See what I'm saying? Like, y'all have no idea, like, whatever. We just gonna go with it. I Won't Stop. Okay, by NYX. Orange here. Box of crayons. I wish it was. So I'm gonna use the red. You know, I don't. I really don't like that. Maybe it'll get better. I don't know. I don't like that. I don't like where I'm going with this. I'm feeling frisky. Okay, y'all. Now, after that botched get ready with me missing all the look, it's a work in progress, y'all. I am trying. I'm gonna get it together and all that good stuff. So, okay, let's go ahead and jump to the bonfire. Record. It was. Yes. Oh, wait a minute. Oh my God. Almost down goes Fraser. Let me turn. Oh, my life.
Ain't got no motherfucking insurance.
Wait a minute. Oh my God. Almost down goes Fraser. Oh shit. Oh, I got. What's up, Pooh? What's up, girl?
You said Pooh outside, Jay. She said.
Pooh don't never be outside. Pooh say I'm outside today. What's up? I told Sor to tell people the camera's gonna be here.
I'm not sure if I can pray right there.
Hey, we gonna see how long Sor be out there kicking it for 5 over. With the music she playing, they should have called her. Them over playing some motherfucking Temptations or something. Right. They wouldn't call. Frankie Beverly. Right. But them over got there playing Nicki and Lil Wayne 5. They gonna call her. Huh? It's another hole. Y'all funny. Y'all funny.
And then you supposed to have the candy open and stuff too.
Right.
At the bar. We did it at the bar before. Was you there?
Take the one on the bottom, put it on top. Cook up. There you go. Now s'more it up. There you go.
I got these for my daddy.
Ain't no damn s'more. That I got to be stupid.
I ain't never play a whole position. I ain't never have to strip to get the pole position. Hoes is distant.
I burned mine.
Chris. You're in no position to come.
I miss you.
Just go ahead, cousin. I was just getting the slow mo.
I'm not a slow-mo. Turn around, I ain't here to fuck around, cut you with your pants down.
It's an effect I would put on the video.
I can slow it down, you know. Jasmine, I saw you. Jasmine, I saw you.
Why did you buy that in drink? When I first got my pound, I broke it down. Y'all nigga have a fan round town.
Okay, y'all, don't judge us. We was having fun and we was just letting off steam, and you know we had a really good time. But here come freaking Frat. You know, that's my little sister and her best friend. You know, there's always that one friend of the family that don't really go away. That's Mariah. Here they come.
It's a video.
Yeah.
I dropped off at that guy on the corner.
Please stop playing with Khalid.
What you mean, where she is?
I dropped off at the daycare. That's 24 hours.
Do I make her?
Go get
That's
it.
the only way we're not gonna be sad.
Go get it. Shit.
Yours is free.
For real, shit, that girl.
Stop playing with me.
Go down there and knock on the door and ask for Kalia Thomas.
I can't stand
In an orderly fashion.
We be all up Snapchat.
My niggas playing with plastic. My life a real scary. You niggas
No, I tell you, that's it.
Ain't always in her.
She go dentist and medicine.
The best friend you got. You look real stupid. But then you gotta hold the damn thing open.
See, what had happened was y'all almost didn't get this because for whatever reason my camera didn't want to take this clip when I stopped the video and say, hey, you know that red button? Now if it's gray or it's, look, that red, it's a red button right there that say subscribe. Why you ain't hit it yet? Like there must be a failure to communicate on my end or something. You know, if you are subscribed though, y'all know y'all fam. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Y'all are the shit to me, okay? If you not, I don't know what you waiting on. Look. Hit the red button. It says subscribe. Hit that button and then it's a bell button that's like right next to it most of the time. Probably all the time. That way you get notified every time I upload something. Yeah. I think you should do that. I'd appreciate if you do. Please subscribe. Okay, y'all, back to the video.
She didn't put the thing together.
What's the fuck? I love them all.
And then she gonna put the hot marshmallows on the styrofoam plate.
I got that shit on
Okay. So I tried to record the giveaway stuff while I was there and they just wouldn't let me be. Like nobody would let me be to record my giveaway stuff that night, so I ended up having to record it think the next day. Yeah, that was the next day. So and yeah, that was it. So I'm gonna let y'all see this, and this is pretty much it. If you don't know what the giveaway is, it's for the spring twist hair, and it's for this. If you have not seen that video, it will be here or up here, and then also the giveaway information will be in the description box below. Matter of fact, all the links will be in the description box below. I'm gonna let y'all jump back to the video now. Hey, what's up YouTube? So I'm gonna go ahead and do the contest rules right now in this vlog. This is Jasmine. So let's go ahead and get that out the way. So the giveaway will be for, and here come more people when I'm just trying to do the giveaway rules. And
Oh. Why the man looking at the light? Hey.
Hi.
I keep forgetting this is a fucking video. Hello guys.
Get away from my camera.
Hello screen. I almost knocked you over. Oh, Lord.
there go your big toe.
Big toe action. Best friend, look.
Oh, you too.
Yeah, all is going on too.
She ain't do no tutorial for my hair. She a heifer.
She ain't do no.
Can't get it right.
We used to it.
Oh, she's taking the jacket off. She's taking the jacket off now.
Okay? Go down.
Okay, y'all, I promise this is the last stop. This is the last stop. Thanks so much for watching, and give me some comments, give me some feedback. Let me know if you want to see more get ready with me. Let me know if you want to see more vlogs from my weekends and all that good stuff. And I appreciate y'all for watching. Thanks so much. That's pretty much all I got to say. Like I said, a lot of stuff will be in the description box below. I'm grateful for y'all. All right, y'all, until next time, peace and love and all that good stuff. All right, y'all.
Saturday night vlog out with the family, and we are doing yeah, so that's what we doing on Saturday night out